Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you some tips for improving our communication skill. First of all, I would like to tell you because I want to ask one question. How long have you been learning English? Have you been trying to learn English for 1 month, 6 years, and 3 years? How long? How long have you been trying to speak English fluent? But after that, you couldn't speak English well. What is the result? Result is that you couldn't speak English well. You not able to very well speak English. So I think this is a every person, every learner have a problem because every learner hard work a lot. Every learner work hard much, but after that they couldn't speak English well. They they are not speak English well. This is a very big problem. But all the learners, all the peoples want to speak like a native speaker, but they couldn't speak English, even one word in English. So today in my video I am going to share with you what is the reason. What is the reason behind of don't speaking English well? I think this is a reason because when we try to speak English in front of other people, so that time I compare with other people. Actually, they people, he speak very well. I am not well. So then when I speak English in front of his, so that times he make the fun. Every times I am not able to talk other person. I am not willing to have conversation with other peoples, because of which I compare with other people. I think this is a very big problem. I want to tell you, first of all, don't compare other people. Okay, try to speak yourself and don't compare. If you want to compare, so you can compare with yourself, because you want to be perfect in English. You want to be become the better than other people. So don't compare, only try to speak with yourself. Why do I compare with other people's? Actually, every person is normal. Okay, every person worked hard for improving English. Okay, so you can hard work a lot. This is a not impossible because you can't speak English well. You can speak well, but you will hard work a lot. Okay, without hard work we can't speak English language. Even I can't do anything. So that's why I am telling to you, don't compare other people. Okay, maximum times when we try to speak English, so that time, actually first of all I would like to tell you, don't nobody make the excuse who are learner. Okay, uh, who work hard for improving English? Nobody. I think this is a my excuse who are making in front of other people. But I want to be perfect. How could how could learn English without speaking in front of other people? Okay, please try to speak English. And I have two tips for improving English and uh, speaking in front of people. First of all, listening part is very important. I said my previous video because listening power is very important for improving English. And second one, speaking. Speaking you know too much. Okay, speaking as much as possible. Without speaking, I can't speak any language. Okay, i am not telling I am not saying about English, every language who want to learn. So do the practice a lot. Without practice we can't speak English. And another thing, don't compare to other person. And you will put effort of speaking English a lot. You will hard work a lot for improving English. You you want to be perfect in English. Without hard work I can't do anything. Okay, so this is a very important, two tips is very important. Only try to this and don't compare other people. Only focus on your aim because you want to be perfect, you want to be better than other person. Only try to speak. Okay, and we are ready to speak other people's. Don't hesitation, only try. Okay, only try to just only try to speak other person. I am very sure definitely you will be perfect. You will speak in front of people. That's it. Okay, in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment. So please don't forget the comment because your comment is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.